Rassie loves to tell the story about how the two of you really became close when you, as a physiotherapist, were icing his ankle 4 times a day towards the back end of his career. And while that icing was taking place, you were having really interesting conversations about next steps in rugby. What a start to a journey that was.
Yeah, no, listen, Matt, yeah, that's how myself and Rassie, we met each other in the army briefly, but then the relationship of within rugby started with that. Yeah, Rassie did his ankle, and back in the day, you iced a person every 4 hours if you want to have good results, and we wanted him back on the pitch as quickly as possible. I was living back in the day. I was with the Cats, and I had a spare room in the suites that I stayed in. So he moved into that room, and during the night when he was asleep, I put my phone, or I had a alarm going off every 4 hours. Stood up, put a cry cuff on his ankle, iced him. 20 minutes later, take it off, go back to bed. 4 hours later, it'll go on. So it's literally that. Yeah, that's how it was. So yeah, and it's amazing to think where we are now. I mean, in my wildest dreams, back in the day, I would never have thought we would sit here in Ireland and with everything that happened since 2018. When we joined the Boks, I mean, in my wildest dreams, I wouldn't have thought anything like this is possible. Even let's say happened.